Career and technical education courses offer students technical knowledge and skills for current and emerging professions, and the demand for these jobs and these fields are increasing. The current CTE facilities at Joshua High School are 20 years old and were constructed as a part of a renovation in 2003. The lab and classroom spaces do not meet industry standards for square footage, safety features, ventilation, and storage of materials. The Culinary Arts, Cosmetology, and Construction Technology programs are currently at capacity, which means students who wish to enroll in these programs are unable to. Proposition C addresses the renovation and expansion of CTE at Joshua High School, including the following courses: Arts, AV Technology and Communication, Business, Marketing and Finance, Computer Science, Construction Technology, Cosmetology, Criminal Justice, Culinary Arts, Engineering, and Health Science. Election Day is Saturday, May 4th. Early voting is from Monday, April 22nd to Tuesday, April 30th at the Joshua ISD Administration Building. Weekend voting is also available on Saturday, April 27th and Sunday,